Hi guys, today I am unboxing a ceiling fan, Atomberg Renesa Plus. Just to see the box, just a receipt from Flipkart today, and this is the box. I'm just going to unbox it. It is a ceiling fan, Renesa Plus anti-dust ceiling fan. Just you see, there is a box. This is the blade. This is the blade. Now keep aside the box from there. This is the blade part. And remote control fan and anti-dust also. Now I just unbox it, the main box. This is the motor here, just to see. BLD motor, power efficient. Motor speed 350 RPM, power consumption 28 watt. Other accessories is here. Keep it aside. This is the rod, hanging rod. This is small but very handy and useful remote control. It is also controlled by your smartphone too. Pencil batteries, which is also given with this box for remotes. This is the content, paper content. Warranty card, 2 years warranty, and you will be extended other 1 year. And other tools which is needed to hang the ceiling fan. And this is the blade, anti-dust blade. Just let it open the box. This is the blade. Now let us assemble the fan with its bed, and after hanging it on the ceiling, just I will show you how it will be controlled by your smartphone as well as by the remote control. Okay,